Unlocking the mystery. The meaning of Heart's Direct Call. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a beautiful and somewhat poetic phrase, Heart's Direct Call. This phrase might not be one you hear every day, but it's rich in meaning and emotion. Let's embark on this journey together to understand its depth and how you can use it in your own communication. Firstly, let's break down the phrase, Heart's Direct Call. At its core, this expression is about intuition and deep emotional impulses. The heart, in many cultures and languages, is seen as the center of emotion, feeling, and even wisdom. When we talk about the heart's direct call, we're referring to those moments when our emotions or inner feelings guide us in making decisions or taking action, without much rational thought. Key components. Heart symbolizes emotion, feelings, and sometimes, moral conscience. Direct implies a straight, unmediated path. Call, used here to mean a strong urge or compulsion. Together, these words convey the idea of being led by an instinctive emotional urge that is so strong and clear. It's as if your heart is speaking directly to you, bypassing the mind's usual deliberations. To bring this phrase to life, let's look at some examples. 1. Making a life-changing decision. Imagine someone stuck in a career they don't love. One day, they suddenly decide to quit and pursue their passion for art. This decision could be described as a response to their heart's direct call, a deep, internal push towards fulfilling their true desires. 2. Falling in love. Sometimes, people feel an instant connection with someone they've just met. This instant attraction or feeling of belonging can be described as the heart's direct call, guiding them towards a potential soulmate. 3. Helping others. Witnessing someone in need and feeling an immediate urge to help, without thinking of the consequences or rewards, is another example of the heart's direct call in action. Understanding the phrase is one thing, but using it in your own language can add depth and emotion to your communication. Here are a few tips. In writing, it's a great phrase to use in personal letters, diary entries, or even in creative stories to describe a character's deep, instinctual decision or feeling. In speech, use it when you want to express why you made a decision based on your feelings rather than logical reasons. It can help convey the depth of your emotions and the strength of your convictions. We hope this exploration into the meaning of Heart's Direct Call has not only expanded your understanding but also touched your heart. This phrase, rich in emotional depth, reminds us of the power of our inner feelings and instincts in guiding our lives. Whether you're navigating love, career choices, or personal dilemmas, listening to your heart's direct call can be a powerful compass. Thank you for joining us today. If this video has resonated with you, or if you've ever experienced your heart's direct call, we'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Until next time, keep listening to your heart and let it guide you in the beautiful journey of life.